Hey guys, it's Elaine, the Ninja Life Coach, and welcome to my channel today. Today is Motivational Monday. So sit back, grab yourselves a cup of coffee. I'll be right back. Hey everybody, I'm back, and I want to set your mind at ease right off the bat. I am not driving. I am just merely sitting in my driveway making this quick little video before I go in the house after church. This morning, my pastor took the message from 2 Corinthians chapter 4. And he was talking about where Paul was writing that we are pressed down, we are hard pressed on every side, we are perplexed, but we're not in despair, we are pressed down, but we're not destroyed, we're not crushed, persecuted, but not abandoned. Now, how can we extrapolate that forward in 2020? Well, I think the news media does its fair share, and so does social media, of making us feel perplexed, abandoned, and persecuted, to the point where we are all divided, and there is divisiveness going on in this country and in this great land of ours. Now, if you're feeling that you're in despair, or you're perplexed, or you're abandoned, just take heart. You're not. We may be squeezed as Christians. We may feel like we're in despair, but we are not perplexed. We are not abandoned, and we are not destroyed. If you have Jesus living inside of you and you have a relationship with the God and the Lord and Savior of this universe, we are not destroyed and we are not in despair. And I know sometimes it can really feel like that, and our feelings will tell us that we are like that, but we really aren't. Because what we're doing is we're looking at our exterior circumstances, and we're looking at things that are here in this world instead of things that have eternal consequences. And the reason I'm talking with you about this today is this is just what I heard this morning in my sermon when I went to church. So if I hear about it on Sunday, you guys usually hear about it on Monday. So I wanted to just make this quick little video of encouragement for you guys, and to let you know that no matter what 2020 or 2021, 2022, no matter what the future throws at us, if we have Jesus and we have Christ in our life, we have God the Father with us, we don't need to be in despair. We don't need to be perplexed. We are not deceived. We are not deceived. And if we are deceived by something, then we can just ask the Lord to show us the way so that we can not be deceived. And even though we may feel persecuted, we are not abandoned. We may be squeezed, we may be pressed down, but we are not destroyed. Because remember, even though there are things in this world that can take our life, our physical life, there's nothing but God that can take our spiritual life. So we just have to keep in mind that we are always in His hands. Listen, you guys, I hope you have a wonderful day. God bless you all. Maranatha, guys.